Welcome to my world-famous Glamrock Beauty Salon. Here we make children beautiful, presentable, and socially acceptable. Right now, we have more important things to deal with. You need to get me ready for my next performance. You need to fix me right now! Nobody will like me! Fix me! I look horrible! I'm not a monster! Here's a little tip. If I ever get in a mood, use the walkie. It calms me. You don't have to say a thing ever. Ever! Ugh. Just give me that mask and get out! The mask! The mask! It's fine. Now leave me alone! I need to think. Where could he be hiding?